The EAGLEVISION LED CSP headlight bulb stands out as a robust lighting solution for automotive enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. With a remarkable power output of 400 watts, this bulb is engineered to deliver optimal brightness at a sharp 6000 K color temperature, providing a clear, white light that enhances visibility and safety on the road. Installation is straightforward, compatible with various vehicle models, including those utilizing the H1, H4, H7, H11, 9005, and 9006 bulb types. The plug-and-play design minimizes hassle, allowing users to replace standard halogen bulbs with ease, which is particularly appealing for those who appreciate a quick and efficient upgrade to their lighting system. The LED CSP technology utilized in this product not only contributes to its impressive luminosity but also ensures longevity. The durable construction and excellent heat dissipation mean that the bulbs can withstand prolonged usage without compromising performance. This durability translates to a longer lifespan compared to traditional halogen bulbs, making it a cost-effective choice over time.